Hey everyone, let's bust some myths about AI in healthcare and drop some real facts. Let's go. Some people think AI will replace doctors completely. False. AI is more like a tool doctors use to make better decisions faster. It's about helping, not replacing. AI is smart, but it's not perfect. It needs high-quality data to make accurate predictions. Think of it like this. AI is as good as the data we give it. Not true? AI is helping healthcare everywhere from major hospitals to small clinics and even in apps on your phone. It's making healthcare more accessible for everyone. AI helps doctors spot diseases earlier, create personalized treatments, and even predict patient outcomes. The future of healthcare is here, and AI is part of it. So, next time you hear something crazy about AI in healthcare, just remember it's here to help make care better, not take over. Follow for more healthcare facts.